to operations on rational numbers, but today's topic is subtraction of rational numbers. Students, you know as well, we have discussed in previous classes that addition of rational numbers. So today we will discuss here subtraction of rational numbers. In addition of rational numbers, we have done some properties of addition of rational numbers, and these are the properties, that is addition of rational numbers is rational number, commutative property, associative property, identity exists, there was a identity exists, that is 0, and there is additive inverse also. So students, you are seeing there that subtraction of rational numbers, these properties are not satisfied here. You will see in the examples when we do here the worksheet 1, then worksheet 2, then you will see there that some all these properties are not satisfied. Only one property is satisfied there. That is difference of rational numbers is always rational number. Difference of two rational numbers, if we are taking two rational numbers and their difference, there must be a rational number. This property is satisfied here, and all four properties are not satisfied there. All four properties, this is x minus y is equals to x plus minus y. It means there is the subtraction of y from x. Any number, any rational number, we are subtracting here from x, and this is y. It means there is the addition of additive inverse of y. There is addition of, we are adding here additive inverse of y to in which x. It means this, subtracting y from x, it means addition of additive inverse of y to x. Is it clear, students? This is nothing else. This is the extra property of addition here. By addition, we are doing here subtracting here any number, subtracting from x, any number y, subtracting from x. It means we are taking addition of additive inverse of y. We are taking addition of additive inverse of y to x. Let's suppose that there is the example, there is 1 by 2 and there is also 1 by 2 here. Is it clear, students? If we are taking here the subtraction, we want here to subtract both the numbers. It means what we are doing here? We are doing here that additive inverse of y, here is y is equals to 1 by 2. So its additive inverse is minus 1 by 2. Is it clear, students? Additive inverse, I have told about it in the previous class. Minus 1 by 2, this is the additive inverse of 1 by 2, and additive inverse of 1 by 2 is added to x, that is 1 by 2. This is added to 1 by 2, and that must be equals to here 0. If we are subtracting any positive number to, if we are adding any positive number to its negative number, then it becomes equals to 0 here. Is it clear, students? This is the definition of subtraction of rational numbers. Clear? Now we are having some properties here. First property is difference of rational numbers is always rational number. I have told about it. If difference of two rational numbers is always rational number. We are subtracting here any rational numbers, then there is always a rational number. There it will become a rational number always. Is it clear? Now next property is in general. It means in general means generally it doesn't hold, but sometimes it can hold. Yes, you are seeing there in general x minus y is not equals to y minus x. You are writing here there is the example 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This is x minus y and we take it y minus x and this becomes y is 1 by 4 and minus x is 1 by 2. So we are solving both the values. Are they same or not? Check it. There is the LCM 4. LCM is 4 there and 2 multiplied by 2 it becomes to 4. It means we have to multiply numerator also by 2. So it becomes equals to 1 into 2 that equals to 2 and there is the negative sign 4. Denominator is same here. So there is 1. Their answer is 1 by 2. Different sign, difference is 1. Greater number has positive sign, so its sign is positive there. Now we will solve this. There is the LCM also 4 here. Now we are taking here 1 is as it is because denominator same minus here is multiplying 2 becomes 4. So numerator is also multiplied by 2 and there is 2 here. Now both are different signs, so taking difference, but there is the greater number sign have negative sign, so its answer is minus 1 by 2. But both values are not equal. It means this property is not satisfied here. And in addition, we have seen there that x plus y is equals to y plus x. We have taken here the example. Yes, but there is not satisfied this property. And same here, this property is known as commutative law, commutative property. Do you know? We have done in the previous class. Okay, remind it. Now next is x minus y minus z is not equals to x minus y minus z. The order of grouping is changed here, but after change the grouping of order, there is the associative property doesn't hold there. Is it clear, students? Because we have taken same examples like this and we will show here that these properties are also not satisfied here. This is not satisfied and also this is not satisfied. This is associative commutative property and this is associative property. And there is next one is identity element. There is no identity element because there sometimes it becomes, but sometimes it doesn't become here. That it is the same number here. Is it clear, students? So there is no additive inverse also. We have no question about it because if we are seeing in the addition that identity element x plus 0 is equals to x, but this is not the 0, this is the identity element. Identity means it becomes the same number as it is, but here is and there is the inverse. Inverse means x plus minus x, it becomes equals to 0. It means if this becomes it, then it implies that there is the inverse exists. Yes, if identity doesn't exist, then there doesn't exist any inverse. Is it clear, students? This is the identity. So it becomes here. This is also the identity here. If this is identity exists, then it means there is the inverse of x is exist here. Is it clear? we are taking here the questions. Question number first, part A. Yes students, you are seeing there question number first, part first. There is the denominator as same. So we are taking here 7 is same there and 6 numerators are in same, minus 5 and that equals to minus multiplying here, that becomes plus and that is equals to 5 divided by 7 and 6 plus 5 that equals to 11 by 7. Is it clear? Now next is 5 by 24 minus 7 by 36. We have to taken here first LCM. So their LCM is 72. There is multiplying here 3 to become it 72 and so numerator is also multiplied by 3. 5 3 ja 15 and that minus 36 2 ja. It means numerator is also multiplied by 2. 7 2 ja 14 there and that equals to 15 minus 14 that equals to 1 divided by 72. Now part third. There is the part third here taken. You are seeing there that this is not in the standard form. So we will make it first in the standard form. 9 by 10 and this minus, it becomes multiplied by negative sign. So it equals to minus 7 by 15 and that equals to, there is the LCM. Taking LCM, what is the LCM here? That is equals to 30. So there is need to multiply here 3. So numerator is also multiplied by 3 and 9 3 ja 27 minus 15 2 ja. It means there is a need to multiply here 2. So there is also multiplied by 2. That is minus 14 there and that becomes equals to 27 plus 14 divided by 30 and that equals to 27 plus 14 41 divided by 30. Is it clear students? Yes. Now next is, there is taking to LCM there. What is the LCM here? That is 40 and 8 is multiplied by any number, that is 5. So numerator is also multiplied by 5. It becomes equals to minus 15 and that is minus and there is also 20. Here is 20. To become it equals to LCM, we will multiply here 2. So numerator is also multiplied by 2. That equals to minus 12 here. So students, it becomes equals to minus 15 and minus multiplying there, that becomes plus sign and 12 divided by 40 and that equals to different sign. It means we are taking here the difference here 15 and 12. Difference between both the values is minus 3, that divided by 40. This is the answer here. Now this is the part first, question number first and all the parts are done. But in the question second, there is the word and we are doing here like this. Then we solve all the questions. Let's hear the first question. 5 by 9, subtract 5 by 9 from minus 7 by 9. From this, it means we have to take first minus 7 by 9 and we have to subtract here what? 5 by 9. 5 by 9, 5 by 9 subtract from minus 7 by 9. Is it clear students? Yes. Now same process we are doing here, taking LCM first, minus 7, numerators are as well as minus 12. Same sign, Same sign, it means we have to sum there. 7 plus 5, that is 12 there. And they have negative sign, same sign there. It means this is divided by 9. This is the answer. And same in this. Subtract minus 5 by 7 from 0. From 0. It means we are taking 0 first. And subtract here. What will we subtract here? Minus 5 by 7 there. Is it clear? Now 0 minus sign and minus sign. This becomes plus. And that is equals to 5 by 7. And if we are adding any number to the 0, it becomes equals to the itself number. 5 by 7. This is the answer here. Now we are doing here 5 by 11 subtracting from minus 8 by 23. We are subtracting here 5 by 11 from minus 8 by 23. From this number, it means we are taken first minus 8 by 23. And we have to subtract here some number, that is minus of 5 by 11, and that becomes equals to, first we are taking here the LCM, and LCM is, both are co-prime numbers, so LCM is their multiplication. So multiply 23 into 11, that equals to 253. It means there is the multiplication of 11. It becomes equals to 253. So it also multiplied by 11, that is minus 88, and that minus 11. What will we multiply here? That is 23. If we multiply 11 by 23, it becomes equals to 253. It means this is also multiplied by 23. What will we get here? Is it clear, students? Now we are subtracting here minus this is the answer here. Minus 203 divided by 253. Is it clear? Yes. Now we are doing here the next question. Next question is there, subtracting minus 2 by 9 from 7 by 6. From this, it means we are taking here first 7 by 6 and we are having subtraction operations, and from 7 by 6, which number? Minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9. And that equals to, there is the LCM. Taking LCM, 18 here. LCM is 18 here. You have to learn about the LCM process. There is the important point to find the LCM here. And if you know about how to solve LCM questions, you will solve easily the questions. 18, 6 3 are 18. It means there is multiplying here 3. So in numerator also we multiplying there by 3. So 7 3 are 21 here. And minus and minus. Minus and minus. And 9 is multiplied by which number to becomes equals to 18. 9 2 are 18. It means 2 is multiplied there. So numerator is also multiplied by 2. So 2 2 are 4 here. And that equals to 21. Minus minus multiplying there. Here is plus sign and plus 4 divided by 18. That equals to 25 divided by 18. Is it clear, students? Yes. This is the answer here. Okay, students. Now we will go to the next question. These are the question number first and second. Now question number third is, yes students, there is the question number third. In question number 3, sum of two rational numbers is minus 5. This is given here. And one number is 2 by 3. It is given here. And we have to find the another number. Suppose you have a number 5 and in sum of two numbers is 5 and one number is 2 here. Then what will be the next number? Another number? Yes, you are taking here the subtraction. There is the sum of two numbers is 5 and one number is 2. Then what is the another number? So you are taking here the subtraction, that is 5. If you are subtracting 3 from 5, you are getting here the another number. Yes, that is the remaining number. And same here, doing like this. Minus 5 is this and 2 by 3 is this. Sum of two rational numbers is, there are two rational numbers, this and this. Their sum is equals to given here, that is minus 5, and one number is 2 by 3. What will be this number? So we are taking here that if we subtract this number from this number, we will get here this number. Yes? Let's check here. Minus 5 minus 2 by 3. Subtracting 2 by 3 from minus 5. Suppose you have the length of a thread is, this is minus 5. Total 5 is there. But this length is 2 by 3. This length is 2 by 3. It means we have to check there that what is the length of this side. One part side length is 2 by 3. Then another part of thread, what is the length of the another part? Yes, you can do that subtracting 2 by 3 from 5 total. This is this and this is this. So you are subtracting 2 by 3 from 5. You will calculate it easily. Same here, doing like this. There is the sum of two rational numbers. Sum of two rational numbers becomes this. And one number is this, then another number is what? We will do here. Let's check there. Minus of minus 2 by 3. There we can write it as 1. So taking LCM there, this is 3 here. And 1 is multiplied by 3 to become denominator same as LCM. So this is also multiplied by 3. So 5 3 15 there, but there is a negative sign and it becomes minus 2 by 3. Denominator is same. So their numerator is also same, and that equals to minus 17 by 3. Is it clear, students? Yes. Same doing like this. In this question, what number added to minus 3 by 7 to get 1? What number should added to minus 3 by 7 so as to get 1? What number added to this number? Minus 3 by 7. What number added to this number? What number added to this number so as to get 1? Same question there. We have this sum of two rational numbers and one rational number is given. You have to find the another rational number. So same process, we are subtracting minus 3 by 7 from 1. This will subtracted from this, then this will we get here. Let's check there. 1 minus 3 by 7. Is it clear? This is the method. Next is we can write it as there is a LCM 7 here. We will multiply here to become as LCM 7. So it also multiplied by 7. 7 1 7 and minus 7 7 same. So numerator is also same here, and that equals to 7 and minus multiplying there, that becomes plus sign 3 divided by 7, and that equals to 10 divided by 7, and this will be the answer here. Is it clear? Now in the next question, question number 5, there is also same process. What number subtracted from -1? This is the same process. What will be subtracting from -1 to get 5 by 3? What will be subtracted? What will be subtracted? What will be subtracted from -1 to get so as to get 5 by 3? Same process. It means we are finding this number. So there is the number, greater number, but here is the negative sign and there are the positive sign. I am taking here that what number added to -3 by 7 plus to this to get 1. There is the sign plus, there is the sign minus. It means this is the total sum of both the numbers, and one number is this and one number is this. There is subtracting here like this. We are having the total sum here and we are subtracting one number to get this number. This is same as. Is it clear? What must be subtracted from 1 to get this number? This is not given here and we have given here this. We have to find it. So we are taken here the subtraction. -1 minus 5 by 3, then we will get this number. So we are doing here -1 minus 5 by 3, and we can write it as, because we are taking here the LCM 3 and 1 is multiplied by 3, so numerator is also multiplied by 3 and this is -3 here, and this is minus negative sign 3 same, so numerator is also the same, -3 minus 8 by 3. We will get here the answer. Is it clear to all students? These are the word problems which have the problematic questions are there. So you are trying to sing these questions again and again, 2 times, 3 times if you need. So these are the questions which you have done here. Now next question is, yes students, question number 6. There is a question number 6. We have to solve this question. So we have to simplify this question. By for simplifying, we will take first the LCM here. So what is the LCM of this? Yes, taking tables of 5 and 15 and 20. Which number is greater number? 20. Taken 20 table. 20 1 20, 22 40, 23 60, and so on, going like this. Which number divides all the numbers? Is 20 divided by all the numbers? Exactly divided by all the numbers. 40 divided by all the numbers? 60 divided by all the numbers? Yes. 5 divides it exactly. 15, 4 ja 60. 20, 3 ja 60. It means 60 is the number that is LCM here. So taking LCM is 60. So 5. Which number we multiply here? Dividing by 60. 60 divided by 5, that is equals to 12 here. So this will number the 12. So multiplying by 12 here, both the numbers. It means numerator is also multiplied by 12. 12 4 ja minus 48. It becomes equals to minus 48, and that is minus. Now 15 in table of 15, where is 60? 15 4 ja 60. It means there is multiplying here 4. So numerator is also multiplying there 4. Minus 4 3 ja 12 there. Now again 20 into what will we get here? 3. To become it as LCM, same denominator. We have to make here the same denominator. So we are multiplying like this to all this. That is plus here 7 3 ja 21 there. So it becomes equals to minus 48 minus 12 plus 22. Same sign, sum. Same first solve this number, same sign sum. It means we have to take a sum here. This is 60 minus 60. We have same sign here, and plus 21. This divided by 60, and that equals to different sign. We are taking difference here. So what is the difference here? This is 9 and this is 3, and that is minus because there is a negative sign in front of greater number. Is it clear, students? And we are seeing there that this number is not in the standard form. So we will dividing here by any common number, and common number is here. One number is 3 there. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 and 0. There is the number minus 13 by 20. This will be the answer. Is it clear, students? Yes. This is the answer. Now we will solve here this question. Doing same process like this. We are taking first here LCM. There will be must necessary to become it in standard form. So minus 5 by 13 minus 3 by 26 and minus there is minus 9 by 52. Is it clear? Now we are taking here the LCM. So what will we get here? LCM is 52 because 52 is greater number in all of these, and 52 is dividing exactly by all the numbers. So there is no need to write down the table as 52. 52 is greater number and which is divisible by all the denominators. So it will be the LCM there. Now 13 multiplying by 4. So 4 is multiplying in the numerator also. This will be get here minus 20 here and minus, then again minus, and what will we multiply here? 2. Same in the numerator also, that it becomes equals to minus 6 and minus 52 is same here. So this is same as well. Is it clear? Minus 9 and it becomes equals to minus 20 and minus that is plus here and 6 and plus 9. There is also minus and that is 52 here. Now we are solving there. 9 plus 6 as you well. Which number you have to add first? Minus 20 plus 6, that is equals to minus 14 there and plus 9. Is it clear? And divided by 52 and that equals to minus 5 divided by 52. This is the answer here. Now we will get to the next question, that is here. Now we will taking here the LCM first. So what will be the LCM here? Same 24 because 24 write down the table of 24. 48 is not divisible by 18 and next one is 72 and so on. But 72 is divisible by all the numbers. So taking here the LCM, 72 is the LCM. Now 24 is multiplying by which number? 3. It means 7 is also multiplying by 3. 7 3 is 21 and plus 12 is multiplied by 6. It means 5 is also multiplying by 6. 6 5 is 30 and there is the minus sign here. 18 4 is, it means this is also multiplying by 4. That is minus 44 there and that equals to 21 plus 30. This is 51 minus 44. This is divided by 72 and that equals to 7 divided by 72 and this is the positive sign here. Now we will get here the next question. This is the next question. Now taking LCM here, largest number is 30. So 13 is divisible by all the numbers. Yes, it means this is the LCM here. Now this is same as LCM, so minus 11 is as it is. But minus 15 is multiplying by 2 to becomes 30. So it is also multiplied by 2, that is minus 16 there, and plus 6, 5 is 30. So it is also multiplied by 5. 7 5 is 35, and plus minus 5, 6 is 30. So this is multiplied by 6, that is minus 12 there. Now we will solve here. Minus 11 minus 16 plus 35, and there is plus minus 12 divided by 30, and becomes equals to minus 11 minus 16, that is minus 27, and plus 35 minus 12. Solve both the numbers. 23 divided by 30, and there we will get here different sign difference. So minus 4 by 30, and 2 is 4 and 2 15 is 30. Minus 2 divided by 15 here. Is it clear, students? This is the answer here, and this will be the question number 6. Now we will do here the question number 7 and 8 here. So yes, students, let's start there. The question number 7 is this. In question number 7, x value is given, y value is given, and we have to find here the x minus y and y minus x. So we have to find both the values, and we have to given here the answer that both are the same or not. And this will have done in this property. In general, this not equals. We will check here this is equal or this is not equal. It means not equal, it means it doesn't hold. And in this question, in question number 8, this property will be satisfied there. This property will be satisfied there. And in this question, this property will be satisfied there. So there is a question. X minus y we have to find here. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9, that equals to same. Taking LCM there, this is multiplied by 3, it means this is multiplied by 3, that equals to 6, minus, this is same, so 5 is as it is, and this is 1 by 9. But we are taking here y minus x, 5 by 9 minus 2 by 3. There is LCM 9 here, 5 is as it is because denominator is same there, and minus 3 is multiplying by 3, it means 2 is multiplying by 3. 2 3 is 6, and that is 1 by 9, but there is the greater number is 6 and greater number sign is minus, so there is also the negative sign, that is minus 9 by 7, minus 1 by 9. So both are not same. Both are not same. It means this property doesn't hold. And same in doing like this. These are the examples of these properties. How will we solve it? Both are not the same. Everywhere. This is x minus y minus z. And this 1 by 10 minus 3 by 5. This is grouping, and minus z 7 by 20. And this is also x 1 by 10 minus y minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 and minus z is 7 by 20. We are solving here both the questions, and then we will check here that both are the same or not. We will take here the LCM first in the bracket, that is 10 here because 10 is the greater number, and 10 divided by exactly divided by both the numbers. So 10 is the LCM here, and this is same, so one numerator is same there, and minus 5 into 2, it means this is also multiplied by 2, that is minus 6 there, minus 3 to the 6 there, and minus 7 by 20, and that equals to 1 plus 6, and 1 plus 6 divided by 10 minus 7 by 20, and that is 7 by 10 minus 7 by 20, and taking LCM there, 20 is the LCM there, and 10 is multiplied by 2, same So 14 minus 7, and that equals to 7 by 20. This we will get here. Now in the next part, 1 by 10 minus, so taking LCM here, this is the greater number 20 and 20 is divisible by, actually divisible by both the numbers. So LCM is 20 here, dividing by 5, 4. It means 5 4 ja 20. It is also multiplied by 4. Minus 3 4 ja 12 there, and minus 20, same LCM, so same numerator. And that equals to 1 by 10 minus 12 minus 7, that is 5 by 20. And taking LCM there, that is 20. 10 multiplied by 2. 1 is, numerator is also multiplied by 2. So there is 2 minus 20, same 5 minus 3 by 20. This will be get here the answer. Sorry. There is the negative sign, minus 12, minus 3 4 ja 12, and minus 19. So we will get here minus 19 plus 19, minus and minus plus. We will get here the plus sign, and that is 9 plus 2, 19 plus 2, 21. We will get here. This will be the answer there. Okay students, you are done. You have done all the questions of this exercise. So doing in fair notebook this exercise, complete this exercise in the notebook. Okay, have a nice day students. Bye.